wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again! Yay!
Our special edition outside for Easter.
Yeah. We're going to go Easter egg hunting today, and we're going to meet the Easter Bunny. And we're going to have so much fun. And before we start doing all of those things, we wanted to say hi to you kids and see if you guys wanted to look for a couple eggs with us.
Oh, yeah. Will you?
Yeah, that'd be so much fun.
Yeah, okay.
So what?
Kids, do you see the blue egg? Right there.
Oh, I heard somebody say it. Yep, right there.
Yeah, okay.
How about, do you see the red egg?
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, I see it.
Right there.
Ooh. Oh, that's nice.
Okay, do you see the blue egg?
Wait, Noah, you just did the blue egg.
No, there's another blue egg. Like the dark blue egg.
Oh yeah. I see the dark blue egg.
See, I told you there's another one.
That's funny. How about, do you see the yellow egg?
Oh, the yellow egg?
Yeah, yellow.
Oh, let me look.
Oh, where's... Yellow's hard.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, good. I see it too.
Yeah. Okay.
Great.
So it's my turn again.
Yeah, your turn.
Do you see the blue egg?
Noah?
What?
Why are you only doing blue eggs?
Well, there's another blue egg. Don't you see light blue, like sky blue? You don't see it, do you? You don't.
I see it.
Oh.
Wait, nope, that's not it.
No. You don't see my egg.
Where is it? Can you point to it?
Yeah, no, I won't point to it. If you can't find it, then...
I got it. I found it.
Where? Why don't you point to it?
Right there.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, you saw it.
Okay.
You found it.
And how about an orange egg?
Orange egg?
Yeah, do you see it? I see an orange one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? No.
Oh, I got it. It's right over there.
Yay!
Whoa.
Wow.
You hit that pretty well.
Thank you. The kids are so good at finding these eggs.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah. I bet they could find anything.
Yeah, that's true.
Mm-hmm.
Well, let's come back together again. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that was really cool.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed finding the Easter eggs with you kids. That was so much fun.
That was a lot of fun.
Yeah. Do you think the kids are going to do some Easter egg hunting at home on their own?
Well, I hope so.
Yeah, I hope so too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to go hunt for our Easter eggs now and maybe have like an Easter brunch. I don't know.
Oh, yeah,
all
Easter
sorts
brunch.
of fun
I love
stuff.
Easter brunch.
Yeah, delicious.
Well, kids, we wish you from our Dream Again world a happy Easter.
Yay, happy Easter.
Have fun on your Easter hunt.
I hope that you guys find lots of eggs of many colors and
don't eat too many eggs.
And maybe see a bunny.
Oh, yeah.
Wouldn't it be fun to see a bunny?
I want to see
around?
a bunny.
Yeah, I'd like to see a bunny too.
Right, the Easter bunny? A bunny, that would be cool.
Wouldn't that be neat?
For a second there, I thought there was a bunny.
Oh.
Maybe it's... No.
Are you tricking me?
No. See, look behind you, and for a moment there, it's right there, and then it just... I think there's a bunny that's teasing us.
Like a little... I'm not seeing it. Oh! I think I saw its tail.
Yeah, see? And then it'll come up, and then as soon as we turn around...
Wait, let's watch this way. One. Keep very, very still.
Okay, I'm very, very still.
One.
I'm not saying anything.
One.
Two. Three. See?
Whoa!
Yeah.
That was so neat.
I tell you.
Wow. Yeah, you totally did. I thought you were just tricking me.
No, I wasn't tricking
Yeah,
you.
I'm glad you weren't tricking me. That was fun.
Wait.
Wait.
Maybe that's the Easter Bunny.
Is it the real Easter Bunny?
Maybe he's trying to take our eggs.
Why would the Easter Bunny take our... I'm trying not to move my mouth. Can I move my mouth all the way now?
Of course.
I thought maybe we were still going to surprise the Easter Bunny. Okay.
Oh, no.
Whew.
I
Okay.
think the Easter Bunny...
You think maybe he ran out of eggs and...
Yeah, look, that blue egg is gone.
What?
Yeah, I think that he's trying to take our eggs.
What?
Oh, kids! We better start our Easter hunt.
We have to hurry our Easter egg hunt. Apparently, if you take too long...
The eggs are gone.
Yeah, that doesn't seem real, but...
Oh, that just rhymed.
Oh, if you take too long, the eggs are gone.
Yeah, if the eggs are gone.
You take too long.
Yeah, if you take too long.
Eggs are gone.
Yeah.
Weird.
Wait, okay, we can't get distracted.
No, okay.
We gotta get our eggs.
We've got to go get our eggs. I hope you guys find your eggs. This is important.
Yeah.
Stat. Emergency.
Emergency.
Egg emergency. Oh, agency.
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 We
Yeah.
have an agency.
We have an agency.
It's an egg emergency.
It's an egg emergency.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Agency.
Have a happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
We
Bye,
got an
kids.
agency.
Agency.
Egg emergency.
Egg emergency. Agency.
Okay, quick.
Bye, guys. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!